cooking, cooking in my cups. In my cups.
Tony, what are we doing?
We're cooking in our cups.
Are we? Are we?
I'm going to teach you a thing or two about the culinary arts.
This guy is going to teach me to cook things.
What? It's a fucking my name is on the chain.
It's true. He's a cookman.
I'm a cookster. Cookerman cookster.
What are we cooking, Tony?
Anyway, I just had this made from someone out in the alley. It means nothing. What we're going to do first is I'm going to teach you how to make olive bunnies.
Oh my God!
All of you out there, all of you at home,
going to teach me, but
and this guy.
I hate olives, so it's whatever.
First off,
yeah,
it's 4 easy steps.
Let's have them.
4.
Let's have them. All 4.
Take it out.
What are they about?
See this olive? It's wonderful. You take it.
Oh boy.
What you're gonna want is to make 1 slice here.
Oh my God!
Now she's flat.
That is a flat olive, yeah, on one side anyway.
Step 1. Step 2. We need a receptacle for the ears.
That's fucking crazy.
So we're gonna get right down here, Dan.
All right, go.
I need silence for this part.
Ooh. Wait!
Receptacle for the ears, folks. Step 3.
Can you believe this guy?
Step 3. We need to cut the ears. We need to manufacture the ears. Ears weren't just made for us. This part's a trade secret. You can't see it. But just be sure
Tony God makes ears?
that those
Okay, apparently Tony's God. He's making ears over here.
Rabbit's ears.
Alright.
Step 4.
Oh my God, I can't fucking wait this.
Slide set ears. In this part, I can show you. Let's
He's been showing me the entire time, but now the world gets to see.
let's nestle those motherfuckers in there.
That is an olive rabbit.
Olive bunny.
Olive bunny. I'll be goddamned. Now what, bitch?
Now it's your turn to try.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's. I'll just eat that.
Hey, this,
All right, sir.
let me see here. Slice it.
Yes.
Right? Perfect, right?
Perfect.
All right, thanks. That's you know what? Now I know, and knowing is half the battle. Oh!
And for the next thing I'm about to teach Dan how to do.
What's the next thing there, Don?
What is the next thing, Dan? The next thing is to take a simple egg. Simple egg, we're going to fry it. I'm going to teach you how to flip it without using a spatula.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, indeed.
Oh shit! Can you,
Sir?
is that legal?
We'll see.
Can you legally flip an egg without a spatula or any other implements?
We're going to try it. And it may be a first. I don't think anyone's ever done this in the world.
God, dude, I'm a scared person. I'm terrified. I really don't know what.
First of all,
Yeah.
I put some olive oil in there.
He did that already. This is take 3.
It's also a non-stick pan. I don't want to fuck it up for the video. Look like a damn dickweed. Trying to show him how to flip a fucking egg. Drunk.
We may have had some drinks. Did we mention that already? We're cooking on our cups. Didn't that come through?
It's the title of the thing. Thing 1, Mr. Dan.
Yeah.
Is getting the pan hot enough.
Right, yeah.
It's the #1 mistake people make with eggs.
And you just have the heat turned up to fucking 20 right now.
Yeah, it's too hot. But, like I said, that's what you want.
You want it too hot. Step 1, too hot pan.
It's not shimmering enough for me yet.
Oh,
We're gonna wait. We gotta be patient. Everyone at home, put your thing up to 20.
On the power boost, if you have a fancy oven.
My trained nose can smell that this olive oil is going to burn in a minute.
Oh my god!
You take the egg.
Uh-huh. Take the egg. Step whatever.
Give her a
He's a fucking pro.
healthy crack. Oh, I broke the yolk.
He broke the yolk just how I like him.
Just how
I like him.
Pan wasn't hot enough, Dan.
Not my fault, bud.
Not your fault. I felt rushed.
Oh boy.
And now I feel shame.
Can you still do it?
Sure.
Are you feeling confident at least?
Sure.
When the time comes that you can
Sure.
flip without a spatula?
Yes, this is going to be time lapse. So yeah.
Alright, good.
We're going to get there.
Oh, she's frying it real good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I can still do her, bud.
I'm yet to be convinced.
I'm watching it. See, you know, she got to talk to the egg.
She crisping up good.
Power burns shit, man, boy. Alright. Oh, yeah, see, we got good release. You see that?
Oh my god, you're gassing
So
up.
what you got to do, if the yolk wasn't broke, you still want to bring that right to the edge, right?
Of course.
Okay. You see there's a lot of liquid in that.
No.
Can we do it, you think?
I don't fucking
Go
know.
ahead.
You're telling me.
Oh.
Oh! He did it! He flipped it! He flipped it without using an implement. I am impressed. He did the thing. Let's see what?
Okay, it's your turn next, buddy.
So I get to do it too. Now I have never attempted this
Go
shit
ahead and just
before.
toss that here. Because that's a good eating egg.
It is.
Right?
No, I'm gonna eat the fuck out of this egg. All right, we're gonna try to flip it though, right? That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, go for it.
Whoa! I did it. I did it.
Excellent, yeah!
I did it.
Crowd goes fucking mild.
Did it perfectly. Crowd goes mild. You know what, man?
All right, we got
Fuck
one more.
everybody.
One more technique to teach him.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
For this one, you might want to get a little spicy
What is
with
it now?
things you've got.
Tony, stop. What is it
We're
now?
talking about vinaigrette, son. Little
Not
bit.
even Gretz.
Talking about just a very simple. I just want to teach Dan about emulsifying liquid and shit.
Please do, please.
I don't have
I'm
any
dying to
vinegar,
know.
but we're gonna use a little oil
Oh my
today.
God,
A little
all
olive
right.
oil.
Some olive
Kick
oil.
it in
Right.
the pan. I brought nothing to stir with.
Oh, God. He's got some things. He's got the whisker.
I forgot the vinegar.
He's got the
forgot
balsamic vinegar. Now we are rolling and rocking.
It's the drinks. It's the drinks.
It's not called cooking in my cups
Hold
for
it.
no reason.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
There's a little oil.
A little bit
You
of
thank you.
little bit of the
Little vinegar.
little oil, little vinegar, and then the main
got some
ingredients.
pepper.
A whole shitload of pepper.
Some pepper.
All right.
And then we
Mixture on up there. And, yeah, it's looking like a thing. Looking like a thing.
there you go. You got it. Think you can do that?
You know, I'm gonna try. You got some black shit.
I did.
You got some oil. You got some whatevers. Let me see. I got my own ingredients here.
You got your own stuff.
Gifted to me personally. He's got my dish for me. This is wonderful.
So,
All right, so
There you
let me see if we can fucking
you're gonna recreate.
make this happen.
You
All
got
right.
your own ingredients.
Yeah,
you say.
I got my own stuff here. We got some black stuff like you had, you know. We got some black stuff. Here we go. There we go.
See,
You
we
just pour in a little bit of black stuff,
Oh,
and
I'm with you.
yeah, no, totally.
Sounds delicious.
There we go, and then we pour in a little bit of the oil. Who knows what's gonna happen?
You're gonna make a vinaigrette. That's what's
And we're
gonna
gonna make a
happen.
little vinaigrette. You know what? I don't even need your fucking bitch ass vinegar. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! It's on fire! Oh my god! That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Yeah, perfect vinaigrette. Perfect.
You got it. You
Nailed it,
see here
boys.
first.
A little more mix? Yeah, no, we got it. Perfect. Ready for any salad, anything really you want to put it on. It's good to go. Perfect. This has been the Two Fat Guys on the Internet. We are currently Two Fat Guys on the Internet, and we are currently still with the fire going, Two Fat Guys on the Internet, and we will sadly always be until our eventual flaming death. Two Fat Guys on the Internet. So go fuck yourself.